Hi there, students. To supersede, a verb. Supersedure, the noun for the process. Okay, to supersede means to take the place of something, to displace it. So old products have been superseded by new products. The new ones have displaced them, they've taken their place. The mobile phone has superseded the old-fashioned fixed-line telephone. Mr. Biden has superseded Mr. Trump. So, to supersede, to cause to be set aside. The new supersedes the old. To force out of use because it's inferior. Old-fashioned bicycles have been superseded by new lightweight models. To take the position of. Who do you think will supersede Angela Merkel as the de facto leader of the European Union? Who will take her place? So, to displace in favour of something else, to replace, to substitute, to supplant, maybe even to usurp. My daughter will supersede me as CEO of this company. The car superseded the horse. I hope that very soon renewable energies will supersede oil and gas. Or in some car factories, robots or robotic arms have superseded manual workers. They've taken the place of them. Now, one thing with this word, be careful of the spelling. It's the only word in English to end S-E-D-E. Let's see, there are lots of other words, for example, that end C-E-E-D, as in succeed, proceed, exceed. And other words that end C-E-D-E, concede, proceed. But this is the only one that ends S-E-D-E. So remember, supersede, S-E-D-E. Some people spell it with a C, but it's wrong. So, Western culture has superseded many native cultures. To come after, to replace, to take the place of. The theory of relativity superseded Newtonian mechanics. It took the place of it because it was a better theory and described things more accurately. I think eventually everything will be superseded because nothing lasts forever. So, next question, how formal to supersede? I'd probably give this 6.5, 7 in formality. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. Informally, to come after, to replace, to take the place of. And notice as well, to supersede is a regular verb. The car superseded the horse. He has been superseded by a younger man. And then, what about the origin? Well, it comes to English through French from Latin. Supersedere, super over, and sedere to sit on. So, to sit over. Yeah, one thing sits over another, and it's the new one, I guess. So, to supersede, to replace, to take the place of, to displace the old. Out with the old and in with the new. The new supersedes the old. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Supersede.